So let me show you step by step how to see WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. So if you want to see your WhatsApp backup from your Google Drive, let me show you if possible you can see it. So first step, after you open up your Google Drive like this now on your PC, so you go to this My Drive. So if you come to this My Drive, so here it will give you all your files inside the Google Drive. So the first thing you should do, if you scroll to down, if you look at this all this folder, there is no a specific folder that has a name which is called backup or WhatsApp backup. So for now, there is no way for you to see your backup on the Google Drive physically because all your backup data are encrypted. So any data that has been encrypted on the Google, you cannot see it. You can only get that data when signing in into that app. Then from there, the WhatsApp will retrieve the data for you, and that's it, guys. Because you cannot see the data real on your WhatsApp or on your Google Drive, and that's it, guys. You can only get your data when you are signing in into your Google Drive. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.